Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about fill method in the typed array. So, what it does, if the having an array has undefined zero or null, it will be fill that with things you want. So, let me show you an example. Use const uint 8 equals new uint 8 array. Now pass the parameter of array 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0. So we did that with that. Now we're gonna use that method, and what it does, first the first parameter should be what you want to put, and the second is where you want to put. If I want to put it from 0, you will be passing 0. If you want to put from 1, it will be 1. 1 is this. And where do you want to put? Like 3, this is 3, so 3. When we do that, and for saying that, we need to log it on a console, uint 8. When you do that, it's gonna, oh, there is an error. Uint 8, oh, sorry about that. It would be, it's a constructor, it would be a big U. So yeah, 4 if you want to like start from 0, it would be 0 4 and if you want to like up to like 4, it's not present in here, but it's saying that how much you want to do. So 4, see, 4, and it will always return an array too. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.